In this video, I'm going to share some solid tips on plumbing work and construction so you can handle your projects like a pro without getting stuck. Alright, so first off, always start by planning your plumbing layout carefully before you even touch the pipes. It saves you tons of headaches later when you're trying to fix leaks or reroute stuff. Next, make sure you're using the right type of pipes for your project, like copper, PVC, or PEX, because each one works best for different things, like water supply or drainage. Don't forget to check local building codes, since plumbers gotta follow those rules to keep everything safe and up to standard. When you're cutting pipes, use the right tools like a pipe cutter instead of a saw to get clean cuts that won't leak. Always double check your joints and connections. A loose fitting means water damage down the line, and nobody wants that. Pressure testing your system before you close up walls is a game changer. It helps catch leaks early before things get messy. Also, try to keep your plumbing runs as straight and short as possible to avoid unnecessary bends that mess with water flow. Finally, if you're not 100% confident, it's smart to call in a pro rather than risk costly mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes I see in plumbing work and construction is ignoring proper venting, which leads to slow drains and gurgling sounds. Fix that by making sure vents are installed according to code and aren't blocked. Another common issue is using the wrong pipe material for the job, so double check what's recommended for your water pressure and temperature. Lastly, people often skip the pressure test step or rush through it, which causes leaks to go unnoticed until it's too late. Taking the time to test thoroughly can save a ton of trouble. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid spot to find new clients and keep your schedule full with projects that match your skills.